So I rendered 2D Metaballs in XCB. Why? Because I am unemployed. Anyway, you must be wondering what a Metaballs is. Well, Metaballs are blobby objects on 3D surface. Like when you bring two Metaballs together, they merge with each other to create a single object or a ball. A threshold value is chosen to define the point at which Metaballs will merge. But before that, we need to define a function for Metaballs. For Metaballs, the function is usually based on inverse distance. This basically means that when the distance between two Metaballs decreases, the total field strength increases and crosses the threshold, causing them to merge. For 2D Metaballs, we simply do not consider any z-point. As you can see, when two balls get near, our inverse distance decreases. This inverse distance is always between 0 to 1. Now in XCB, I am using Pixmap to display pixels on window. Pixmap is an array of pixels. Each pixel is represented by some bytes. A pixel has 3 components, red, green, and blue. Each component is 1 byte. That means to store a single pixel, we need 3 bytes. Each row in Pixmap has total width by 3 bytes. If our width is of 600 pixels, then there will be a total 600 times 3, which is equal to 1,800 bytes. In our code, we go pixel by pixel in Pixmap and check whether that pixel falls under threshold or not. If that pixel falls under threshold, we fill that pixel with color. This line in our code first calculates the distance between the current pixel and center of the first ball. It then calculates the distance between the current pixel and the second ball. We divide both distances by the radius of each circle. We can divide distance by 1, 2, but in my case, it decreases the size of balls in render. After dividing by radius, we sum up the result to get field strength. After that, we compare it without our threshold value. If strength is above threshold value, we fill that pixel, otherwise nothing happens. And this code basically helps us to change the color of a pixel based on the distance between two circles. You can find the code in description, but these Metaballs are so satisfying. Anyways, I hope I get few likes for my balls. Till then, see ya.